Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhishek Soni from the Department of Pharmaceutics. Today we are going to discuss Biopharmaceutical Classification System, which is also known as BCS. This is Biopharmaceutical Classification System table. This table contains total classes of BCS having the class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. Uh, Class 1 having high solubility, high permeability. Class 2 low solubility, high permeability. Class 3 high solubility, low permeability, and class 4 low solubility and low permeability. As in this table, permeability and the volume required for the dissolution represent some values from the 0.1 to 100 and 1 to 1 lakh ml. ठीक है, आपके पास क्या करता है, जो क्लास 1 रहेगा उसकी लो हाई सॉलिबिलिटी है, हाई परमेबिलिटी है, क्लास सेकंड की लो सॉलिबिलिटी है, ठीक है, और हाई परमेबिलिटी मतलब सॉल्युबल कम होगा और वो पास जल्दी से होगा, परमेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होगी। तीसरी क्लास आपके पास है हाई सॉल्बिलिटी ज़्यादा होगी पर परमेबिलिटी लो होगी, और क्लास 4 ठीक है, उसमें क्या है, बोथ केसेस पे सॉल्बिलिटी और परमेबिलिटी लो है। In combination with the dissolution, the BCS take into account of the three major factors governing bioavailability, which contain dissolution, solubility, permeability. The BCS, in accordance with WHO guidelines, is shown in previous table. As previously we discussed, these contain four classes of class 1, 2, 3 and class 4, which contain high solubility, high permeability, high solubility, low permeability, low solubility, and low permeability, etc. This classification is associated with the drug dissolution and absorption model, which identify the key parameter controlling drug absorption as a set of dimensionless numbers. ठीक है, absorption number AN is equal to 5, mean residential time, mean absorption time. Dissolution number DN is equal to 5, mean residential time and mean dissolution time. Dose number DO is equal to 5, maximum dose strength 250 per solubility. Class 1 drug exhibit a high absorption number and a high dissolution number. The rate limiting step in a drug dissolution, and if dissolution is very rapid, then gastric emptying rate become the rate determining step. Class 2 drug have a high absorption number but a low dissolution number. In vivo drug dissolution is then a rate limiting step for the absorption except at a very high dose number. The absorption of class 3 drug is usually slower than the class 1 and occur over a longer period of time. Class 3 drug permeability is a rate limiting step for a drug absorption. These drugs exhibit a high variation in the rate and extent of drug absorption. Because the dissolution is rapid, the variation in attributable to alteration of physiology and membrane permeability rather than the dose from the factors, and class 4 dose exhibit the problem for effective oral administration. Here we have some examples of different type of BCS classification. Class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. These are different type of drugs which are under class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. After that, now bio waivers, which is also known as drug product approval without a pharmacokinetic bioequivalence study. The term biowaivers is applied to a regulatory drug approval process when the dossier, which is also known application, is approved based on evidence of equivalence other than through in vivo equivalence testing. Biowaivers means to obtain waves of for carrying out expensive and time-consuming bioavailability and bioequivalence study. BCS provide biowaivers of class 1, 2 and 3 drug with some specification. This waivers is For both pre and post approval phase, BCS based biowaivers are applicable for immediate release solid dosage formulations containing one or more of the API identified by WHO pre-qualification of medicine program PQP to be legible if the required data ensure the similarity of submitted pharmaceutical product and appropriate comparator product. बायोवेवर्स जैसे ना आपके पास नाम इंडिकेट कर रहा है, ड्रग प्रोडक्ट अप्रूवल विदाउट अ फार्माकोकाइनेटिक बायोइक्विवेलेंस स्टडी। ठीक है, तो हमारे पास जो बायोवेवर्स हैं वो ठीक है, वो BCS क्लास में आपके पास प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं, क्लास 1, 2 एंड 3, और जो हमारे पास ड्रग रहती है, ठीक है, वो ड्रग का जो प्री और जो पोस्ट अप्रूवल फेस है, ठीक है, उसके VVS हमारे पास प्रोवाइड करवाए जाते हैं, और साथ ही साथ हमारे पास ये एप्लीकेबल रहता है इमीडिएट रिलीज सॉलिड ओरल डोजेज फॉर्म के लिए, जो कंटेन करता है आपके पास एक या एक से ज़्यादा एक्टिव फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स। Compartment product used in BCS biowaivers application should be selected from the current list of World Health Organization and PQP pre-qualification of medicine program recommended comparator product, including the appropriate fixed dose combination product. In the WHO PQP, the biowaivers based on the BCS are intended only to investigate bioequivalence and do not apply to other bioavailability and pharmacokinetic study. The criteria recommended by US FDA BCS guidelines for the biowaivers: first, the drug substance should be highly soluble and highly permeable, which under class 1 drug, and immediate release of drug product. For waivers of an in vivo relative bioavailability study, resolution should be greater than 85% in 30 minutes in the 3 recommended resolution medium. These points of the 85% and 30 minutes we already discussed in the resolution portion of this BCS. The drug should not be narrow therapeutic index drug. Excipient used in dosage form should have been previously used in FDA approved IR solid dosage form. The quantity of excipient in immediate release product should be consist and their intended function. Drug must be stable in gastrointestinal tract and the product is designed not to be absorbed in oral cavity. Now the criteria recommended by WHO BCS guideline for biobehaviors. First है dosage form of active pharmaceutical ingredients which are highly soluble, highly permeable and are rapid dissolving are legible for biobehaviors based on the BCS. Dosage form of active pharmaceutical ingredients that are highly soluble and have a low permeability, this contained in BCS class 3rd, are legible for the biobehavior provided all the criteria mentioned which meet in accordance with the WHO BCS guidelines and the risk benefit in additionally addressed in the term of extent, site and mechanism of absorption. Third, dosage form of active pharmaceutical ingredients with high solubility at pH 6.8 but not at pH 1.2 or 4.5 and with high permeability. By definition, some but not all BCS class 2 compounds with weak acid properties are eligible for the biobehaviors based on BCS provided that criteria that the active pharmaceutical ingredients has high permeability, that is fraction absorbed in 85% or greater, and a dose solubility ratio of 250 ml or less at pH 6.8, and that the multi-source products